Are you tired of complex and confusing trading strategy? Look no further, because I have a simple yet efficient key-level trading strategy that was entirely built with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that right. The entire strategy was built with the language AI model. And the best part is that it is highly accurate and it proved its efficiency. In this video, I will show you the entire process of the creation of the trading strategy. I will demonstrate you how it works and how you can apply that to improve your trading. Also, watch this video until the end, because at the end of this video, I will show you the backtesting results of this strategy. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. The sponsor of today's video is Top Trading Signals. I know this guy from TradingView. He has a massive following there. He invites you to his free Telegram channel where he shares daily forecasts and signals based on fundamental and technical analysis. Join his Telegram channel and enjoy high quality work. The link in the description below. Before we talk with ChatGPT, let's discuss what constitutes a good trading strategy. First element of a good trading strategy is the exact list of trading instruments that you will trade. The second element of a good trading strategy is entry reasons. And by the entry reasons, I mean the set of conditions that defines when exactly you open a trading position. The third element is the position size for your trade. Your trading strategy should define the exact rules for the calculations of the lot sizes for your trades. And the last element of a good trading strategy is the trade management rules. By the trade management rules, I mean the exact set of rules and conditions applied for closing the trade in loss or taking the profit. So my goal for this video was to build a trading strategy that would be simple enough so the newbie traders could apply that, but also it should be sophisticated enough so the pro traders could use that as well. Because I'm a full-time forex trader and because my main focus is currency trading and gold trading, our trading strategy will be focused on forex and gold trading. And for trading, we will apply the key levels. So let's open the ChatGPT and ask him to help us create a trading strategy. And because the ChatGPT is restricted in my current country of residence, I will talk with the chat in a ChatGPT Telegram bot. The first question to ChatGPT will be to ask to help us to build a simple key level based trading strategy for forex and gold trading that is based on technical analysis. And to make that strategy simple, we will ask ChatGPT to suggest a strategy that is based only on price action, that does not include the technical indicators and technical tools. And here goes our first question. Help me to build a simple key level trading strategy for forex and gold trading based on technical analysis without technical indicators and technical tools. And the ChatGPT quite quickly provides us with the step-by-step trading strategy. The first step is to identify the key levels of support and resistance. And the chat states that the key levels will be based on round numbers, on swing highs and spill lows, and the psychological levels. Of course, I already have the questions about the first step because it is not clear on which time frames should we look for the key levels, and it is still not clear how exactly we should look for these key levels. So let's ask the ChatGPT to clarify. So the second question will be, what time frame should I apply to identify key levels? And here, depending on the trading style, ChatGPT suggests multiple time frames from 1 minute to 5 minute charts to 1 hour in daily. And of course, for us, such explanation is not enough because we don't really know what exactly we want to trade. And I suggest us ask ChatGPT to simply tell us the time frame where key levels work most accurately, the time frame where we can spot the strongest key levels. So our next question to ChatGPT will be, which key levels are respected more often by the market? The ones that are formed on intraday time frames or on minutes time frames or on daily. And ChatGPT gives us the exact answer. The key levels that are formed on a daily time frames are usually respected more often. So in our trading strategy, we will trade the daily time frame. So now we know that we will trade the key levels that are formed on a daily time frame. But it is still not clear how exactly to spot these key levels. Still, we don't have any rules for the identification of key levels. So our next task will be to ask ChatGPT to help us with the guidelines for the identification of key levels. So here goes our next question. How can I identify key levels on a daily time frame without technical indicators and technical tools, just relying on a price action? And here goes the answer. So the ChatGPT suggests that in order to identify the key levels, we should take into consideration the swing highs and swing lows. Also, we should monitor the psychological levels. We should look for the consolidation, because the consolidation ranges can provide important support and resistance levels. We also should analyze the trend lines, and we should look for the key levels that were important for the market participants in the past. And here in that answer, the ChatGPT reminds us that just the key levels alone are not reliable. Yes, and identifying the key levels with the price action, some of the key levels can not be reliable. So for us, it is very important to look for some kind of a confirmation. So returning back to the step-by-step strategy that ChatGPT suggested, we have clarified exactly how to identify key levels in step 1. Then goes step 2, wait for a price action signal. And here ChatGPT suggests that once we spotted the key levels, we should let the price approach these key levels. And when the market is approaching these key levels, we should look for some kind of a confirmation. And by confirmation, Chat suggests look for the candlestick patterns. So let's ask the chat what exactly we should look for to confirm the market reversal from a key level. What kind of confirmations we should look for to open the trade. Now let's ask, once the market is approaching a daily key level, what bullish or bearish candlestick patterns are the most reliable confirmations? And the chat gives us the exact list of the candlestick patterns that we should look for. And our confirmation patterns will be the hammer, the bullish engulfing candle, and the piercing line. That will be our bullish confirmations. And our bearish patterns that will apply for the confirmations will be the shooting star, the bearish engulfing candle, and the dark cloud cover. Returning back to our step-by-step plan, we now go to the step number 3. Now we should enter the trade. So once we get our confirmation signal, once we get our confirmation pattern, the candlestick pattern, we open the trading position in the direction of the signal. Now the question is that once we open the trade, once we got our confirmation, where will be our stop loss and where will be our target? And in this step number 4, ChatGPT suggests us to set our stop loss above the bearish signal or below the bullish signal. And to me, it is not clear. So I guess we should ask ChatGPT to clarify where exactly should be our stop loss. And our next question to Chat will be to ask, what can be a safe stop loss for trading these patterns? And we should give the exact list of the patterns. So the hammer, the bullish engulfing, the piercing line, the shooting star, bearish engulfing, and the dark cloud pattern. And here, of course, the chat suggests that stop loss placement depends on the multiple factors. However, he says that commonly when we have the bullish candlestick pattern, we set a stop loss below its low. And if we have a bearish candlestick pattern, we set a stop loss above its high. So we will stick to that rule. And now step number 5, our take profit level. And here it is very clear. ChatGPT says that our take profit should be the closest key level. So if we buy the market, our take profit is the closest resistance, and if we sell the market, our take profit is the closest key support. The last step, the risk management. And here the ChatGPT says that we should apply the proper position sizing. And it is not clear. What does it mean? What exactly is the proper position sizing? So let's ask him to clarify. What is the recommendable risk percentage of my trading account per trade, trading key levels on a daily time frame? And here's the answer. So the ChatGPT says that the recommendable risk percentage is between 1% and 2%. So let's be conservative and let's risk 1% of our trading account per trade. Returning back to our trading strategy, at the end, the ChatGPT gives us a very nice advice. He said that always remember to stay disciplined, patient, and do not rush into trades based on emotions. In my view, that is the great advice. So now we have all our rules needed to trade that trading strategy. So now it's time to open the charts and try it on real market. We're on a gold chart, daily time frame, and our first task will be to identify the key levels. And as the ChatGPT suggested, we should look for the key levels relying on swing highs and swing lows, trend lines, and round numbers, and the consolidation ranges. And here, analyzing how the price acted, we don't have the trend lines right here, we don't have the round numbers, but we have the important swing highs and swing lows. The first swing high that I see is over here, then we have a very important swing high over here, then we have a swing low over here that was broken to the downside and that turned into the resistance, and over here we have a very important swing low that is a key support. So here are our key levels. The next step will be to wait for the test of one of the key levels, and you can see that with that wick the price tested that key level. Once the market reached the key level, our next task is to look for the confirmation. And for confirmation, we are looking for the candlestick patterns, the bearish engulfing candle, the shooting star, and the piercing line. These are the bearish confirmations. And you can see that testing that structure, the market formed a bearish engulfing candle, the candle that engulfed the range of a previous bullish candle. That is our confirmation candle, and that candle we apply for shorting. And once that candle closes, we short the market. Our stop loss, according to the strategy, is lying above the highs of the pattern. So here will be our stop loss, and our take profit will be our closest key support. So here will be our trade. And the thing is that after the price formed a bearish engulfing candle, you can see how sharply the market dropped, and you can see that the price managed to reach the target. One more example. This time on dollar yen pair on a daily time frame. And again, the first step of the analysis was to identify the key levels. Key levels here were spotted based on the range right here and based on the swing highs and swing lows, exactly as ChatGPT suggested. Then I was waiting for the test of a key level, for the test of one of the key levels, and you can see that approaching that horizontal support, the price formed a hammer pattern. And as ChatGPT said, once the key level is reached, wait for the confirmation pattern. And in order to buy, we are looking for the bullish engulfing candle, the hammer pattern, or the dark cloud pattern. And here this time the hammer was formed after the candle was closed. The long position was opened, stop loss below the lows of the candlestick pattern formation, and take profit is the closest support. And you can see how perfectly this strategy worked. So now about the backtesting results. So I decided to backtest that trading strategy on 4 different not correlated financial instruments. I tested that on a dollar yen, dollar Swiss, gold, and euro pound. And here are the results that I got. First of all, about the win rate. So the win rate of this trading strategy is 56%. The average holding period of each trade is for trading these. The biggest winner is 500 pips and the biggest loser is 150 pips. I believe that the trading results of the trading strategy are phenomenal. And the first thing is that trading strategy was built just talking with the chat. And when I was planning to build that, I was trying to make it simple. And you can see that even the simple, straightforward, structure-based trading strategy can work. Secondly, what I wanted to note is that even though it is possible to develop a trading strategy using the Chat GPT, of course, you still should have the experience in trading. You should learn. You should learn to recognize the price action patterns, the chart patterns, the key levels, and Chat GPT cannot teach you how to spot all that. It can give you the guidance, but still, it is your task to learn to analyze the price chart. Now I'm planning to build a more sophisticated trading strategy applying the Chat GPT, so let me know in the comment section if you're interested. Also traders, if you like this video, if you enjoyed that, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please let me know in the comment section your feedback. Thank you so much for watching.